Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to view song credits on Spotify. All right. And for those of you who don't know it, in order to put a song together, oftentimes what we don't know as a listener, as I am myself, it takes multiple people in order. It almost takes a team to put a song together, and oftentimes not everybody get their credit and for all the work that they put in. And in this video, I'll show you what Spotify is doing about this. And they're basically showing, giving people credits for all the work that they're doing. All right. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. I have their 30-day free trial in my video description. And for those of you who don't know what Amazon Prime is, Amazon Prime membership program offers many special benefits, including unlimited free 2-day shipping. I believe this alone makes this subscription very worth it, because imagine the amount of money that you can save on free 2-day shipping. It makes it like really worth it. Okay. Besides that, you also have access to watch instantly thousands of movies and TV episodes, and I believe also music and access to books. And then other than that, you also get exclusive shopping deals. So please check out Amazon Prime. I have their 30-day free trial in my video description. So click in my video description below and you should see like their trial, okay? Check it out and let me know what you think. Now back to viewing song credits on Spotify. Like I said, Spotify is trying to give people credit for the work that they have done. And by the way that they're doing this is at least displaying all the people that worked on a song. To view all the song credits, what you do is first you go to the artist, okay? Find the artist. Once you find the artist, tap on the song. Okay, this is one of my favorite songs. So I'll pause it for a second. So once you have tapped this song, as you can see from this page, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see this these three dots? Tap on those. All right. Now, once you have tapped on that, scroll down. And then on the very bottom, do you see where it says song credits? Tap on that. Okay. And as you can see, it will start showing you, it gives credit to all the people that have put in work for this song. You can see who the song was performed by, and it's Kodzimi, who wrote the song, Jiska Nikumana, who produced it. And for this, I don't know why for some reason they don't have the producer credits there. And for the source, this is where it will show you which the label that this song was under. And as you can see, for this artist is an independent artist. And that's how like all the credits that Spotify tries to show people and just give people credit for their work. Okay. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to check out Amazon Prime. Like I said, I have a link for a free 30-day trial. You can try out this 2-day shipping and see what you think, all right? And you have access to all this music, movies, and books, all right? And exclusive deal. So check it out and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.